Did you know that ChatGPT can plan your entire trip under minutes, saving you hours of research and planning? But here's the catch. It only works if you know how to ask the right questions, something most people still haven't figured out. Hey Thrifties, welcome back to Thrifty Explorers. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact step-by-step process of planning a complete trip from scratch using real-time prompts that you can literally copy and paste. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete idea of how you can plan an entire trip using these prompts, and it works for any kind of travel, be it solo, budget, luxury, or even international holidays. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Here's what most people miss. ChatGPT isn't just a search tool. When you use it the right way, it can become your personal travel planner. It understands your budget, your travel style, and what you genuinely want from a trip. And within minutes, it can build a day-by-day itinerary that feels surprisingly personal. The real difference is structure. There is a simple 6-step framework that completely changes the results. Once you get this, you can plan your trip anywhere, whether that's Europe, Southeast Asia, or even something more ambitious. So pause this video, open your ChatGPT and follow along with your own trip details so that you are planning a real trip as we go. Step 1. Defining a specific goal. And it's simpler than it sounds. You are basically telling ChatGPT, I need you to act like an expert, but not just an expert in the exact place you're traveling to. This matters more than most people realize. The moment you give ChatGPT a clear role, the quality of its responses completely changes. It's the difference between asking a random tourist for advice and asking someone who's actually lived there for years. So let's say you're planning a trip to Thailand. Don't just type, plan a trip to Thailand. That's too broad. Instead, write something like this. You are a local expert in Thailand who specializes in budget travel and off-the-beaten-path experiences. That one line sets everything. It defines the tone, narrows the focus, and moves you away from generic travel blog suggestions. Suddenly, you're getting insights about the right neighborhoods, places locals actually go to, and experiences most tourists miss. You can use this for any destination. The place changes, but the formula remains the same. You can always start by saying, I need an expert in this exact specific location. And don't just press enter yet. This is just a foundation and we are going to build on it. Step 2 is about introducing yourself. Think of it like a quick introduction to your travel planner. You need to tell ChatGPT exactly who you are as a traveler and how do you want your trip to be. This is the most important part people usually skip. They assume ChatGPT will figure it on its own, but it won't. You'll have to spell everything out. Ask yourself a few questions. Do you want to hike every day or mostly explore cities? Do you love street food or prefer nicer restaurants? Are you traveling on a tight budget or are you comfortable spending more for convenience and comfort? This matters because ChatGPT uses its information to filter every recommendation it gives you. If you say you're a budget traveler, it won't push expensive hotels. If you say you love beaches, it won't fill your itinerary with mountain treks. Here's an example of what you might write. Travel style. I enjoy exploring local culture, trying authentic food, visiting markets, and experiencing how locals live. I prefer budget-friendly stays like hostels and mid-range hotels. Another travel style can be, I prefer luxury hotels, high-end restaurants, and exclusive experiences. The budget isn't a concern. I want comfort and the best options available. Same destination, completely different results. That's the power of being specific. The clearer you are here, the more your itinerary starts to feel personal instead of generic. Step 3 is all about defining the trip you're actually planning. This is where clarity matters. You need to tell ChatGPT exactly what you want. A lot of people type something like this: plan a trip to Europe and then wonder why the itinerary feels scattered. That's not ChatGPT's fault. It's because the goal was never clear. Instead, be specific. For example, I want you to plan a 10-day trip to Southeast Asia in February 2026. I'm looking for a day-by-day itinerary that balances beach time, jungle experiences, local culture, and at least 2 adventure activities. I want the route planned efficiently, so I'm not constantly moving between places. That's basically a job brief for ChatGPT. The more clearly you define a trip, the more accurate and useful your itinerary becomes. Step 4 is about building your itinerary. This is where you dump everything you already know into a prompt. The flights you booked, hotels you're considering, activities you have saved, restaurants you want to try, or landmarks you absolutely don't want to miss. And here's why this step is so important. ChatGPT doesn't replace your research, it builds on it. So the better information you feed it, the more realistic and personalized your itinerary becomes. Let's say you're planning a trip to Thailand and your total trip budget is 1 lakh rupees. You want 4 days in Bangkok, 3 days in Chiang Mai, and 3 days in Phuket. You're excited about a jungle trek, learning to surf, and taking a cooking class. Instead of letting ChatGPT guess, you can write something like this: trip details, dates, February 12 to 22, 2026. Total budget 1 lakh rupees for flights, accommodation, food, and activities. Plan 4 days in Bangkok, 3 days in Chiang Mai, 3 days in Phuket. Key activities include jungle trek in Chiang Mai, surfing lessons in Phuket, Thai cooking class in Bangkok. Visit at least 2 temples. Include budget-friendly hotels and local experiences. See what just happened? ChatGPT now knows your exact dates, routes, total budget, must-do activities, and accommodation style. It can now build an itinerary around real-time constraints instead of assumptions. The more details you give, the more personal your plan becomes. This is where your real ideas start turning into a real-time actionable plan made just for you. Step 5 is about setting the right rules, and this is the step that saves you the most time. Rules are basically your travel constraints. They help ChatGPT narrow down results so that you don't get overwhelmed. Think about it. If you say, "Find me hotels," ChatGPT could give you hundreds of options. But if you say, "Find me hotels under 5,000 rupees per night," suddenly you have a handful of options that actually work for you. Here's an example of something that you can write. Rules: keep accommodations under 5,000 rupees per night. No travel days longer than 3 hours. Prioritize vegetarian restaurants. No activities involving animal riding. Include at least one sunset experience each day. See how clear that is? ChatGPT now knows exactly what won't work for you, and your suggestions automatically improve. Ask yourself, what matters to me? Consider your budget, how much do you want to travel each day, the kind of food you enjoy, and the experiences you don't want to miss. Add all of this to your prompt, and ChatGPT can turn it into a clear, personalized plan that makes your work faster, simpler, and stress-free. Step 6 might seem small, but it can make a huge difference. All you're doing here is telling ChatGPT how you want your information back. You don't want ChatGPT to give you long paragraphs or walls of text. Instead, you want something that you can actually use. So here's something that you can write. Give me a table with columns for date, location, accommodation with prices, activities with time, estimated daily cost, and travel time between locations. That one sentence changes everything. Now, instead of long, hard-to-read paragraphs, you get a clean, organized table you can scan and understand at a glance. The key is you control how you want the information to come back to you, making it easier to plan and adjust. Now that you have built all the 6 steps, it's time to see everything come together. Here's how your final prompt will look like if you're planning a trip to Thailand. And there you have it, a complete 10-day Thailand itinerary fully personalized to your travel style, interests and under the budget of 1 lakh rupees. Every hotel, activity, travel time and daily cost is planned so that you can see exactly what to do each day without any guesswork. This saves you hours of research and stress. Also, you can tweak anything like changing a city, swapping an activity or even updating a hotel. And the plan adjusts itself perfectly. It's like having a personal travel planner in your pocket. Now let's be real. ChatGPT won't magically give you all the hidden spots and secret restaurants. That's not the point. What it does is give you a clear starting point so that you can focus on the experiences that you actually care about. So follow this process, use these prompts wisely, and you are set for your next trip. We have also created a free travel budget tracker that works perfectly with the itineraries you make using ChatGPT. It helps you track accommodation, activities, meals, and travel costs all in one place, so you can actually stick to your budget. So don't forget to check that out. Link in the description below. And if this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thrifty Explorers. And do let us know in the comments where you're planning your next trip. Until then, stay safe, stay thrifty, and we'll see you in the next one.